There are several nice rod and reel combos suited specifically for surf fishing if you want to give it a try or maybe add another rod and reel to your kit. In order to tackle enormous and powerful saltwater fishes that you are likely to encounter in the surf, you must have the greatest surf fishing rod and reel. Do you want a complete surf fishing package? If that's the case, look into the Dr. Fish surf fishing rod and reel. A 50-pound braid line, 2 bucktail jigs, and an 8-inch popper are included with the package. Carbon fiber is used to make the 12-foot-long pole. It comes in a combination of rapid motion and powerful power. Ceramic rigs on the stainless steel line guides help with heat dissipation and friction reduction. The Dr. Fish surf fishing pole, like the previous generation, may be broken down into 3 halves for easier transport. There are 13 ball bearings on the reel. There's also a bonus for the anti-reverse system. The stainless steel gears provide 40 pounds of drag and a 3.9-to-1 gear ratio, giving the reel plenty of power. In other words, it has enough muscle to drag fish back to shore. The Colex telescopic fishing rod, which comes in a variety of lengths, is an excellent choice for surf anglers. Even in the 12-foot form, it packs small and the graphite spine keeps the weight down. For saltwater protection and friction reduction, the rod has stainless steel line guides with aluminum oxide rings. For further durability, the graphite reel is mounted on an aluminum oxide seat with stainless steel hoods. The butt region is cushioned with EVA. A bale wire and an aluminum spool are included with the reel. As long as the reel is not overloaded, the multi-drag mechanism runs well. Another great Penn product is the Spinfisher Vi rod and reel combo. It comes in 3 different lengths ranging from 6 feet 6 inches to 10. Again, the last choice is better for surf fishing since it allows for longer casts. Unfortunately, the 10 model is also one of the priciest rod and reel combos available. The pole is made of graphite, which is light and flexible. The big cork grip is our favorite feature of this rod. It provides a solid touch with your hand while keeping the rod comfortable. Furthermore, the combination of substantial power and medium fast action is great for surf fishing. The reel is equally as impressive as the rod. At this pricing range, we can't expect anything less. The size varies according to the model you choose. The 10 rod, for example, comes with a 6,500 reel, but the 7 rod comes with an 8,500. All reels are built the same manner, with a full aluminum body, carbon drag washers, and a sealed interior. Do you have a limited budget? Are you seeking a surf fishing pole that can do it all? If that's the case, the Crixus saltwater rod is for you. 3 lengths of spinning and casting models are provided. They're all made with the same IM6 graphite, stainless steel line guides, and zirconium inlets. Furthermore, every blank is divided into 2 halves for easier transport. You can pick among light, medium, or medium-heavy abilities. The bodies of both reels are made of carbon fiber, while the spools are made of aluminum. The reel's internals are made up of 6 stainless steel ball bearings and carbon drag washers. Surf fishing rods are longer than regular fishing rods. As a result, portability may become an issue in the long term. This is not the case with the Placino telescopic fishing rod and reel combo, thankfully. The IM6 graphite pole is available in 4 different diameters, ranging from 7.6 to 9 feet. One pole is made up of many parts that fold into each other to make it more portable. One stainless steel line guide with ceramic rings is featured in each area. The metal spinning reel is included in all variants. It includes 9 stainless steel ball bearings that are protected. The felt carbon drag washers provide 15 pounds of drag, which is plenty for most anglers. A word of caution, it is not as smooth as you may imagine.